I'm Lexi.
Hi, you know me already. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm not alone today.
Hi!
My friend Lexi is here. So we're doing a video that was actually her idea where we both create the exact same eye look, and you're gonna end up seeing two different versions of the same eye. Her take on it and my take on it. Someone that's a little more of a beginner, and me who has
been doing makeup for so long.
Yeah. I'm like, I don't want to be like, oh, look at me.
All I do is foundation from Walmart, eyeliner from Walmart, mascara from Walmart, and I do some contouring, but I don't know if I do it the right way. And some eyeshadow, but I don't know how to like blend eyeshadow or anything, so that's how I do it. So I'm basically a beginner. Pro skills.
No. I'm going to insert a picture here of our reference picture. So we're going to be starting out by priming our eyes, and we're both going to use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance.
You first. I've never done this before.
Oh. So you take a little bit on your finger, and then you can prime your eyes.
Like, everything?
Yeah. So just lid up to the brow. We're going to be using the Morphe Artistry palette, and using the shade as our transition shade. So we're just using a fluffy crease brush to apply this. And taking this just in the crease. Back and forth motion through the crease. Going in with another transition shade.
Same concept?
Yep. Okay. So now going in with the Jawbreaker palette from Jeffree Star. Going in with the shade Gumdrop.
Wow. I don't have anything this crazy.
You don't need much here. It's very pigmented.
Oh, wow. I need one of these. How did you do that? Mine's not like that. And this is our makeup look. Have a great day.
Bye, guys. Oh.
We're done. I need this.
We're going to be using a gel eyeliner to lay down the black base. And it's from Pretty Vulgar. And it's called Blacklist. I think I got this at BoxyCharm.
What is that?
BoxyCharm? What the fuck? Okay, BoxyCharm is amazing. It's a subscription box. Like full-size makeup. Usually 5 products. And it's for $21 a month. And it's just all full-size things.
Huh.
Have you heard of Ipsy?
Who?
Fuck! What?
Ipsy, the online app thing? Where you...
App.
Or that's Etsy.
No, oh my god! What? No! So we're just taking that over our lid and taking it slightly up into the crease. With this look, we're not trying to recreate it perfectly. It's more of our own like take on it or inspiration from it. So with this, we're also winging it out and extending it out a little more into the outer corner of the eye. How are you doing?
I don't know. I have absolutely no idea, but I don't look like you.
Well, you're not gonna look like me, and I'm not gonna look like you, and that's fine. Doesn't matter. We're looking hot-ta-ta. Hot-ta-ta. So we're gonna blend this out. What? Look what I just did! Oh my god! We're blending out the black with a black eyeshadow. This is from Voss. So we're using a Anastasia double-sided brush. I got it in like a palette. We both have the same brush here. Cheers. And we're going into that black shade and pretty much just setting this liner and also blending it out. This is going to help prevent it from creasing. I'm going to leave some of this and have no context. And they're just going to be like,
he's gone! He's cut off!
and just none of this. None of that.
None's of boobies.
So
Whoa! How'd you do that?
I went kind of outside of the line, and so I was doing this, like, see how you can still see the two separate? So I still need to do it. I'm tapping in that area. And then we're going to be layering other shadows too, so going back in with the purple, and kind of going back and forth until everything looks seamless. Keep your stomach, or did a cat just poop? Oh, it's your stomach.
Is it?
Yeah. So we're going to be going back into that purple shade and blending out the black. Oh, we got a fancy bitch over here. I feel like I'm going to get wrinkles from this. Because I keep raising my eyebrows. I think about wrinkles.
I'm a wrinkle bitch.
I'm trying not to be a wrinkly bitch.
Oh no. But I'm back in the black. Like mine's
Back in black! Okay, what? We're going to be going back and forth using the purple and the black to create a nice blend in the crease.
Back in black! This is my stuff, I'd be broker than broke.
Yeah, it's true. I am. So now we're going to be going into the shade Brainfreeze. Picking that up underneath the lash line. I'm going to mix the two blues together from this palette, Brainfreeze and Soaked.
Girl, I'm gonna need you to take it down a few notches. You're doing way too good.
Pretty much what I'm going to be doing is going over the top of the shade with no product on it and just blending that out so it looks a little more seamless. Using a fluffy brush to blend. On one side's blending out, but the other side
I feel like I need to like pull my face down. Like when I do makeup, I'm gonna like.
That's the worst thing to do. That's how you get wrinkles.
Is it?
Yes. We're going to be going into the Urban Decay Moondust palette. This is an oldie but a goodie. Bringing back. And going into the shade Granite. And I'm just going to use my finger, go directly into the palette, and tap over top of the lid right in the center.
Just center.
Yeah. Just in the center. It seemed like in the picture, just that was highlighted. These are our fingers.
This is brought to you by water. And burping.
Okay. We're going to be using the Ofra X Nikkitutorials highlighting trio. Space Baby. First, we'll be placing this shade in the inner corner. I'm also taking this up underneath the arch of the brow.
Dude, I feel crazy.
That's how we like it here.
We're geniuses.
Genii. You know, like cacti? Cactuses? Genii?
No, we're geniuses. So when you just said genii, that makes you even more of a genius.
Oh, see, this is why we're friends.
$100.
That is trademarked.
Yep.
Only true genii will understand. I'm changing therapists because my other therapist fell asleep on me while I was talking to her. True story. My horrible, disturbing life isn't enough for you. You need some more action.
My bra squeaking. Did you hear that?
That's a bra? Why is it squeaking?
I don't know.
Is it plastic?
Yeah.
Wait, really?
No.
Oh.
Plastic don't hold up these jugs.
Jugs. Do you hear what I hear?
I like buble.
So we're going to be doing our faces off camera and our brows, so we will be right back.
Mm-hmm.
Hi.
I don't feel like I'm like... Hi.
Hi.
We are back.
We're back. We did our brows and our faces. And now back to the eyes. Since we applied foundation and concealer up underneath our eyes, it kind of cut off some of the blend of the shadow. So I'm going to go back in and blend out the bottom line a little more. So using that Jawbreaker palette again. Just going back in with Brainfreeze and Soaked and blending everything back out. Blend into my fucking back of my head.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, that was not how it's supposed to be. Sheesh. Genii.
So now for like the little design that's up underneath the eye, we're going to be using Silver Leaf, tearing off tiny little pieces with tweezers and placing that up underneath the eye. For it to adhere to the skin, we're going to have to use some glitter glue, and we're going to be using Too Faced glitter glue. So applying that first, just in the center of the eye. There's a new addition to our family.
Say hi. Yay!
Hi. This is a 6-week-old kitten. I found him outside at a park and he was starving and he had ticks on him and just afraid. I had to save him. I had to take him in. Poor little guy. He was dumped maybe a day or so before. So we're taking tiny little pieces, picking it up with the tweezers, pressing it down onto the skin, and then I'm using the back of my nail and pushing the foil around. It kind of breaks it into smaller pieces. My shoulders look so big. My head looks so small.
Boobs though, look.
Holy shit. Oh. I have some knockers. And done.
Beginner, expert. I like the way you winged yours more.
Our reference picture is more round. Yeah. It's tighter to our eye. I fucking took it off to another fucking galaxy, bitch.
I like yours.
Have you put lashes on yourself?
No!
Oh yeah.
I haven't done lashes since like prom or homecoming 5 years ago.
Okay, so we're gonna be applying these lashes. So we're gonna apply those real quick and we'll be right back. Okay, we back. We have lashes. Woo! You see on the beach?
Do ya?
Do you see it? Now onto the lips. And for that, I would say a nude.
I would definitely say after doing that.
Nude. Yeah. Or maybe black galaxy lips. No. Let's do a nude. We'll be right back.
We got a kitty.
Oh, it's dead.
What are you?
Why aren't you performing for the camera?
Say hi! This is Alyssa. She turned into a cat.
Yes. I'm just that good at makeup, guys. I'm sorry my head's down here right now, so you can't like see me talking, but
this is my butt.
I really like my butt scratched. Starchy. I wish that was in that. Butt straight to the camera. Okay, I'm back, and I transformed back into a human. Whose voice is that fucking comes out of me?
Hi, I'm Alyssa. This is my customer service voice.
Yeah, it actually is. That's what it is. My voice lowers like 2 octaves off camera.
Hi!
Hi, everyone. I need to try this.
I've never lined my lips before, but sure.
Ooh.
Do you ever just like feel like you're in my personal space?
Let's see.
Oh shit, you made me mess up!
This is Jonteblu in Dark Natural.
Say that
Don't
one
look
more.
at me like that.
Jonteblu.
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 Woo!
You're just trying to break all my shit.
I'm not used to holding all these things.
We're using Ofra liquid lipstick in Bel Air.
Yeah. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we twin. We done. We twin.
Oh. Are we just gonna transfer it that way? A little kiss? Sorry, Tommy. Ooh.
Was there a cat back there?
No, it's tingly. Is it tingling you?
Not
Is
yet.
it tingling you? What the fuck is this?
What did you just make me put on my lips?
Oh, it's plumping.
What's plumping?
That means it has like some type of irritant in it, and it makes your lips like juicier. It makes it plump.
Great.
I'm like, why are my lips tingling? So this is Iconic London Plumping Lip Gloss in Lovestruck. We're gonna set our faces with Morphe Continuous Setting Mist.
That didn't work either.
Oh.
Don't ask questions.
Don't ask questions. That's how my clients feel. That's nice. Alright, well, we are done. And yeah, so you'll be seeing us in a second so we can pose and throw our beauty in your faces. Peasants. No. Bye. This is always so awkward. And I'm just like, oh. But my whole lower body's so weird when I'm doing this. I'm just like, oh, yeah. Bitch. It's awkward, isn't it? Oh, now she posy. Now she posy, bitch. So here are our finished looks. So honestly, I feel like you did an amazing job.
We can say that.
Really?
I think I did okay. I expected to not really be able to do much, but actually I think
You honestly did a great job.
from literally not doing this, I've never, when we applied the eyeshadow, I've never had anything so pigmented like this. Nothing. So,
Jeffree Star, hello.
I thank Alyssa for having me on her channel.
Thank you for coming on my channel. Like, this was so much fun to do.
Definitely again.
Guys, let me know if you actually like this, because I would love to keep collabing with people.
You like this? Yeah.
Yes. Yes. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. Share it with your friends and family. I would really appreciate it. Please.
Support.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Oh, that was cute.